If you like tea in Kenya, or if tea is a beverage that you enjoy, you should consider starting a tea blog in Kenya and building it into an income generating online business in Kenya. This is because blogging is a very powerful platform, is a very powerful online business model, and you can be able to monetize your tea knowledge, your tea skills. Maybe you are a tea expert, or you have experience actually either taking or sometimes even growing tea. And you can be able to actually use that knowledge or monetize all that knowledge by starting a tea blog in Kenya and building it over a long period of time or over a period of time into an income generating online business. A tea blog in Kenya can be a very lucrative side hustle for you, and probably if you focus on it over a period of time, you can actually turn it into a full-time online business that generates for you online income each and every month. I'm not suggesting that this will be an easy journey. I'm not suggesting that starting a tea blog in Kenya is actually easy, because it's not. But if you are focused on it, if you like tea, if you enjoy the different types of tea that exist, you want to explore this particular journey, or you want to explore the different type of teas that are grown in Kenya and the taste and everything, looking at the entire tea industry and the value chain, you can be able to do that with a tea blog in Kenya. The good thing about starting a tea blog in Kenya is that there are quite a number of ways on how you can be able to monetize it. Meaning there are a number of ways on how you can make money with your tea blog in Kenya. So if you can be able to create content that adds value to the audience that you're targeting, then you can be able to get to a level where you can be able to monetize your tea blog in Kenya. For you to get started with this particular journey or with this particular side hustle, what you need to do is probably spend an hour or two each and every day, maybe for the next week or for the next month, doing research. You need to understand how the value chain within the tea industry works. You need to also probably pick a subtopic or a sub-niche within the tea industry that you are going to focus on. This is because you may not be able to create a blog that covers everything within the tea industry, but you can be able to pick a subtopic or a subcategory within the tea sector and build it into an online business that generates an extra income for you. And the beautiful thing is that there are three things that you can be able to do and actually succeed building your tea blog in Kenya. One, you need to focus on building an audience. Two, you need to focus on building trust with the audience that you are building. And three, you need to implement a monetization strategy, or you need to figure out how you're going to make money with your tea blog in Kenya. These three things are like foundational elements that you need to have if you're ever going to succeed with your tea blog in Kenya. It is not an easy journey, it's a long game, meaning you need to have a long-term approach. Don't start it with a mindset that is going to give you cash quickly. But if you build it each and every week, each and every day, maybe every month, over a period of time, probably 2-3 years, you may be able to build an asset that generates extra income for you. So I know you might be wondering what those 3 key steps would actually look like. And in summary, what you're looking at is, one, you need to be very specific with the audience that you are building. That means being clear on the target market. What people are you targeting? Who do you want to serve? That's the audience that you're going to build, and the content you're going to create for your blog will be targeted at that particular audience. And when it comes to building trust with that audience, the audience that you're creating, the best way you can be able to do that is through email marketing, and that means you also need to probably spend some time trying to learn how email marketing works, the email marketing platforms that are available, and how you can be able to leverage the power of email marketing to build trust audience that you are building with your tea blog in Kenya. When it comes to monetization, and I know that's a very interesting topic for you, that is easy, because that's about how you're going to make money with the blog that you're building. When you have an audience, it is very easy to execute a monetization strategy, because if you are clear on who the audience is, you may be able to monetize through display advertising, affiliate marketing. You can be able to create your own digital product or services, among very many other monetization strategies, including affiliate marketing. So if you're into tea and tea industry or the tea value chain, do not shy away from starting a tea blog in Kenya. It could be a start of a very good career when it comes to digital marketing, to building an online business for yourself in Kenya. And like I said earlier, think long term. Think in terms of 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, because you are going to be building a real business. Unless you just want to do this for fun and you are not interested in building it into anything that can be able to generate money for you. And I don't think that's why you are watching this video. You are interested in building an online business based on your interest in tea or the fact that you enjoy having a cup of tea. As you start and build your tea blog in Kenya, it is good to always remember that blogging is a very powerful tool. It is an online business idea in Kenya or an online business model that you can tap into as you seek to improve your personal finances by creating an online business that is generating additional income for you. It would be nice if you can be able to turn your love and passion for tea into something that can be able to generate you additional income. And this is where the ability to turn it into an income generating online business becomes very handy. And I know you might be intimidated by the idea that you can be able to turn your tea knowledge, expertise and knowledge, or passion and love for it, or experience that you have had with tea or with the tea business that you learn, into an income generating online business. But do not be afraid about starting this. Just get it going. In fact, the key step is just starting, because as you continue building your tea blog in Kenya, you're going to learn quite a lot. You're going to improve and look back a year from now or 2 years from now and realize that you have actually been able to build an income generating online business. And if you do want to learn more about this, watch the video on your screen right now. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not, and I'll see you in the next one.